push-ups.
Hmm?
Thank you. I'll take that. Oh my gosh, you're so dramatic. You're cracking me up. Oh my goodness, that was so fast. Oh my god. Oh, big bite from the torture control. The bully's in trouble. He can't tap, he can't bark, he's got nothing. Rolling to the left, rolling to the right, dust everywhere. But the shell champ ain't letting go. And would you look at the corner man, little macaque on top, arms up like he just won the belt. Somebody get this.
I owed him.
No way, did he just fall in? Oh my
Oh my goodness.
Did you see that, Speedy?
The crowd can't believe it. Look at the monkey. He doesn't even know what happened.
Referee's got his head in his hand.
What a wild scene.